Alright, so what we're going to do is explain to you why we came to this house and we saw that these ridge caps are missing. Now right underneath this ridge vent, you can feel the heat coming out, so that's the exhaust. There's an opening into the attic, so it's a leak. But these blew away. Here's a new one, here's the old ones. Now why did they blow away? Because they were nailed. Well, I'm going to show you, alright? What they did was, before they installed these ridge caps, which come like this, perfectly square, what they did was they cut it, as you can see, on an angle. Reason for that was because they weren't confident that they could make a straight cut, nor did they purchase the ones that are already pre-cut. So they cut it on an angle, so when you install it, you got a clean line like this. Well, you can accomplish the same thing if you just install it straight and cut it straight. Now, they took the shingle and they placed it down like that, and then they nailed it. You can see the nail holes, one here and one there, okay? Now what they do is they take the next shingle, which is all broken up, and they put it down like so. Now, if you pay attention, you'll notice that right here, the shingle is missing. So after they nail here, and then they nail the second shingle there, you'll notice that the second shingle doesn't catch the previous shingle. So that's why they blow away. Now, if they were to have done it the right way, they would have installed the shingle perfectly square cut or factory cut. They install it, nail it where it's supposed to be nailed, and then when the next shingle goes down, you'll see that when they nail here, look, they're catching the previous shingle. That's how you install hips. You don't need to worry about making this look nice, because if you cut it straight and install it properly, it's going to look good and it's going to function properly, and you don't have to call just. Now I love it when you call just. I think you should always call just. But for stuff like this, it's a must that you do it right and you don't have to call just, or it's a bust. So just call just.